Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, this is an update on the prior video I had, and I just want to give some more insight and clear up certain things. So, let people know that I'm getting my information legit. Now, Tommy got mad at Corey at Miss Nan's funeral because he felt like Corey dissed him. Then he hired Javin and two other guys, which I explained who Javin was. Around there, when the Prime Minister was in town, the man then slap him where? Over near Sam Sharp Square. So, now, Corey is the cousin of Kenil. And Corey's cousin was the man who wrote Rhyming King first song. So you see the youth where Tommy slap where Corey Murta, his cousin wrote Rhyming King first song. Rhyming King now grew up on the rebel side of flankers. So when you see the equation, Tommy Lee got mad at Corey at Miss Nan's funeral and then decide say, yo, he might get rid of the man. So he contract Javin and two other youth to deal with it. Now, Corey cousin, the dead man, him write Rhyming King first hit song. And Rhyming King come from the rebel side of flankers. So I'm just giving you the update so you guys can follow along and know say, yo, countryman thing a fox. You see what I'm saying? We not just pick all sorts of crazy stuff to talk about. We are getting straight from the source. So yo, countryman, peace out. This is an update. Keep watching, subscribe. I got another video coming out about this guy from Granville. And he's a very interesting character. And you guys are going to be surprised when you hear this. So yo, like, share, subscribe. Countryman, peace out.